guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you these gorgeous 18 box braid styles that you can rock. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these looks, please continue watching. Alright guys, for style number one, I'm going to be doing middle part. So I'm just going to be parting the hair in the middle of my head, and that's about it. For style number two, I'm just going to take a few pieces on the front of my head and I'm just going to twist those all the way down. And once I'm done, I'm just going to take a rubber band and secure the ends. And I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Take a few pieces on the side of my head and twist it all the way down. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to take a rubber band again and secure the end. Taking both sides, placing it at the back of my head, making sure the hair is nice and straight in the back, and then using a scrunchie to secure it. And then going around making this into a bun. For style number three, I'm going to take a few pieces on top of my head and I'm just going to start braiding that piece all the way down. Taking my rubber band and securing the end. And I'm just going to flip it to the front, in front of my forehead, exactly the way I'm doing. Taking my bobby pin and securing it at the back. And that's about it. For style number four, I'm just going to take the hair on the sides of my head with the same style, taking a few pieces on both sides of my head and using my scrunchie to secure it. For style number five, I'm going to go for a half up, half down, taking hair from the side of my head from ear to ear, okay? Just half up, half down, and then using my scrunchie to secure it. Taking a few pieces from the back and securing the scrunchie, that way it looks really, really natural. And then securing it using my bobby pin. For style number six, I'm just gonna take the same half up, half down and flip it to the side, and that's another cute style, sis. number 7, I'm just gonna take the same half up, half down, and then just start making this into a bun. And then securing it using my bobby pin. For style number 8, I'm just gonna pull out a few pieces in the front. So 2 pieces from the front with the same bun, you know, and making this into a cute style. And you already know I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So I'm just gonna add a few accessories to the little pieces in the front, and baby, it took the style all the way to boop, 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 100. For style number 9, I'm just gonna do a side part. So I'm just gonna flip the hair to one side. Color 27 is gonna go all the way on one side, and then the 30 is gonna be on the other side as well. And baby, it came all the way cute, period. But while we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! All right, for style number 10, I'm just gonna take a few pieces from the sides and then use my scrunchie to secure it in the back, and that's about it. Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. You are the real MVPs. You already know how I feel about each and every one of you guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell as well. Make sure you share my videos so that nobody misses out on Miss Tupo1, period. Okay. All right, for style number 11, I'm just gonna take a few pieces on the top right there. So just the color 27, okay? I'm just gonna secure that with the scrunchie. I'm just gonna go around and make this into a little bun on the top. And that's about it. All right, for style number 12, I'm going to be putting all the hair up, sis. So this is the reason why I did the boxes all the way around my head, because I wanted to be able to put everything up in a bun. And I'm just gonna take my scrunchie and secure it. And that's about it, sis. I'm just gonna flip the hair to the back, and that's about it. All right, style number 13, take the hair and start making this into a bun, going round, making this into a nice, cute bun, okay? Using my bobby pin to secure it. And baby, it came all the way through, period. And you can see the back looks like I got individual box braids because I did the boxes all the way around my head. Style number 14, I'm just gonna pull out 2 pieces in the front right there. Just taking the style all the way to boom, 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 100. number 14, it is a low ponytail. So I'm just gonna take my scrunchie and cut it. Just gonna secure my hair with that because it's easier to put the hair in a low ponytail when you have the scrunchie cut up, okay? Once I do that, I'm just gonna take a few pieces of the braiding hair, go around and make this into a cute, realistic style. Number 16, I'm going to be doing a half up, half down side ponies. Okay, so I'm just going to take a few pieces on the side of my head and then take my scrunchie and secure that. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. So half up, half down side ponies. Okay. Number 17, I'm going to be doing the twin buns on the side. Okay, so I'm just gonna start going around making this into like cute little buns on the side, and that's about it. I'm telling you, these styles right here you can rock on a daily. You don't have to stress this. When you get braids, you got all these styles to rock. Okay, you can rock this with twists, braids, or whatever you got, locks, anything, sis. For style number 18, I'm going to be using this Hottie silk scarf. This is one of our silk scarves. I just wanted to show you guys that you can actually rock this with some braids as well. So I'm just gonna fold it into half and then fold it a little bit more, about 4 or 5 times, and then use this as a headband. Okay, so that's all I'm doing. I'm just gonna place it on top of my head right there. Push the hair all the way to the back and then place it on top of my head, go around and then tie it on the top. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys. I hope you guys love all these easy styles. I just wanted to make sure everybody has easy styles that they can rock on a daily. So if you have braids, twists, locks, or whatever style you have, you can actually rock these styles right about now. Okay, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousins, your besties, your mamas, and your aunt, for sharing is caring, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.